Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to look at a new MPPT solar charge controller. The company's name is Bateria Power. All right, here's everything you get in the box, less some paperwork. But we have two SAE pigtails, a set of 4 screws to mount this to like a board or something. And what's really good is they got the SAE line switcher there. So some of these panels, there's not standards coming out of whatever country they're in. So sometimes the hot line is in the opposite spot. Always use a voltmeter to check and make sure you don't reverse the polarity because that can cause some problems. Here's a quick start guide. And it just runs through some things on how to identify your batteries and the charging voltage condition and how to set it up, about the reverse polarity there. And you see right there, first connect the battery, then connect the PV panel. All charge controllers, you never want to hook the solar panel up first. You always want to hook the battery first so that you enable the circuitry inside of it. We'll take a quick look at this. As you can see there, it has a little screen. It has 4 percentage gauges, 25, 50, 75, and 100, and then your selection. So it's a 1-button selector, which is pretty good. You have input and output written there very clearly. And on the back, it's going to give you some more information there. So overall, it's small. It's like a small battery pack. What we're going to do is we have a dead flat battery outside and a solar panel, 100-watt solar panel. We're going to see how this thing charges throughout the day. All right, this battery does come with an integrated app, Bluetooth app, which is pretty cool. It shows the status of the solar panel, the status of the battery. We got 63 watts coming in. All right, we got the Bateria Power MPPT solar charge controller hooked up to a 100 amp hour LiFePO battery. We have it on some jumper cables because as you can see, it is very, very low. So we're on gel right now. We want to switch to LiFePO. We're going to push and hold the enter set button there. It's going to flash. We're going to click it. And then we're going to hold again. Now it's going to flash and say LFP. We're on LiPo battery. We're going to click and hold again for 12 volts. Now we're set up. So we have to go down and plug in the Harbor Freight solar panel. This has been a great panel for testing and for use. So click the link above if you want to see the video on that. And down here we had to put in the little crossover plug because the Harbor Freight one was backwards. So good job on Bateria Power for including one of those. We're going to get this thing plugged in and this camera set up so you can see the voltage and amperage jump. All right, we're going to plug the solar panel in. And we'll see if we're getting any power. Oh, there it is. As you can see, we got 1 amp, 2, 3, 4 amps. There's a cloud passing by, so we'll let it go for a second here. 1.8 amps, and that is with a cloud passing by. So it is charging, and right now, let's look at the time. It's 11:13 a.m. So we'll leave this thing charging and see how long it takes to charge up. All right, in full sunlight on a depleted battery, we are showing 6.5 amps from the Harbor Freight solar panel. That's actually pretty good for this panel. All right, it's charging at a consistent 7.1 to 7.2 amps right now. That is absolutely amazing for this little box. All right, we have reached the end of the day. The sun is well over the tree line now. We'll show you what we got. So right now, we're bringing in 6 watts. And we did 471 watt hours out of a 100 watt solar panel. 97 watts was the max charging. This little thing did phenomenal. So good job for the manufacturer. We're gonna leave it plugged in overnight. If anything else happens, we'll update you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.